If you have been keeping up with our channel, you know that we love making content and assets to help fellow creators with their own creations. In our previous video, we showed you how to create a powerful and customizable 2-in-1 title and transition built with expressions, adding curves, custom controls to make it fully compatible with any kind of frame rate. You guys told us that you loved it, so now is the time to make it available to all of you as a new template. Let's get started. First, we want to thank everyone who subscribed to our channel. Your support is really appreciated. This new floating doors transition actually comes in two versions, Lite and Creator. Both of them have extra features that goes beyond what we built together in our tutorial. So let's check what we built for you. First, let's see how to install those transitions into DaVinci Resolve. If you are already comfortable with that process, you can use our chapters to jump to the next section. Alright. After downloading the transition of your choice, open DaVinci Resolve and switch to the Fusion page where you'll find an empty composition. Have your Explorer or Finder ready aside of DaVinci Resolve and drag the GRFX bundle into the Nodes panel. This will open a pop-up window asking you to confirm that you want to install the package. After installation, which is basically DaVinci Resolve copying the GRFX file inside Blackmagic Design user folder, this transition will be right away available inside the Fusion page. To be able to use it in the edit page though, you must restart DaVinci Resolve to be able to see it in the effect library. In the latest version of DaVinci Resolve, you can even install directly any bundle right inside the edit page just by double-clicking on the GRFX file. You don't even need to restart the program anymore, as the effects library will update automatically. Here we have some footage to test our transition, but before you try to add it, make sure that you trim both the end and the beginning of your clips so that there is enough extra frames to overlap over the length of the transition. This might be obvious for experienced editors, but it is very common for new users to try to apply a transition to the first frame of a clip without success and wondering why it's not working. So if that's the case, just trim enough frames at the end and the beginning of the clips that are supposed to meet. Drag and drop the transition between your clips, and in Inspector you will find a custom panel that we designed for extra ease of use and clarity. The Floating Doors Lite offers two transition styles available in this drop-down menu, one vertical and one horizontal split. You also have extra visual effects that you can activate and deactivate on demand with those checkboxes. Note that cache rendering time will depend on how many features you choose to activate. There is the animated line slicing the screen, a fading animation for the text, panels shadow, and this light on feature that brightens up the underlining clip as the doors open. This transition also comes with a variant where the animation starts earlier with the text revealed behind the opening doors. The Lite version is completely free to download and is already customizable enough to bring a lot of style to your videos. Next is the Floating Doors Creator version, our first release of Creator Premium assets that comes equipped with even more features. With the Creator version, you will find in this menu a total of 7 transition styles with some particularly awesome ones. You are also able to change the text orientation to match the extra transition styles or choose among 4 different text animations. And of course, you also get the reversed variant transition coming with it. The Creator version is available in our store for a small fee, but also comes completely free of charge to all our Buy Me a Coffee members. You will find a link to our store in the description below, and whichever you end up choosing, we hope that you will enjoy using it. So, if you enjoyed this video and like our new transition presets, leave a thumbs up and make sure that you click on that little bell to be notified of our future videos. And we'll see you in the next video. See ya!